Vic, what's up, man? Let me introduce myself to you. My name's Joey Ace, and I call myself the 5-star stud. You may not have a problem or see the problem within this with both of us, but I clearly do. See, you don't have to come out here and tell everyone, give a whole list of credentials. We know. My name's in the record books. ECWA 2023 Super 8 winner. Yup. And ECWA Unified Champion. 3 times over. 4 times. Right? You are tag team royalty in the Northeast. But really, it doesn't matter. Me and you have gone through this road. We've been in this gig for a combined 30 plus years. So I've seen you in locker rooms. I remember when I was coming up in 2009, 2010, and I would see you, bro, and you wouldn't even bat an eye, Vic. You wouldn't bat an eye. But 15 years later, bro, you're calling me out. You're requesting a match with the 5-star stud. You're requesting a match with Joey Ace. A week from tonight, we step through those ropes. My credentials don't matter. Yours don't. That night, it's a matter of respect. We will finally, after all these years, I've seen you, you've seen me, we've walked by each other, all that jazz. But now, we'll really see who the man is. Now, we'll see what's up. Now, we'll see who's 5 stars above the rest.